Welcome to For Loop. Automate repetitive code execution. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Manually writing the same code for each iteration is inefficient and error-prone. How do we repeat tasks without rewriting code? Repetitive code is tedious. Hard to change all iterations. Easy to make copy-paste errors. For loops automate repetition with a clear start, end, and step. How is for loop used in the real world? Array iteration. Process each element in order. Number sequences. Generate counts or ranges. Data filtering. Find matching items in list. For loop powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without for loop? Printing numbers 1 to 10 with individual statements. Look at how messy the code gets. Repetitive code everywhere. Hard to change range. Not scalable at all. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. For loop. Look how clean the code is now. Compact and readable. Automatic counter increment. Perfect for fixed iterations. Compare the difference. And that is why we use for loop. Let's see how to implement for loop in code. Here is the implementation. Initialize counter. Start I at 0. Set condition. Loop while I less than 5. Increment step. Add 1 after each loop. Print value. Display current number. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the basic structure of a for loop? Which one is correct? The correct answer is correct order. Initialization, condition, update. How many times does this loop run? Which one is correct? The correct answer is runs for I equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 iterations. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is prints 2, 4, 6, 1 asterisk 2, 2 asterisk 2, 3 asterisk 2. What happens if condition is always true? Which one is correct? The correct answer is empty condition defaults to true, infinite loop. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. Like, subscribe, and comment your score.